I talk to a lot of homeowners looking to sell, and the same question always seems to come up in those conversations. What question is that? I've got it for you coming up. Hey, thank you for checking out this channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker here in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area on the Florida Suncoast. I hope these 2-minute videos answer a lot of your real estate questions, whether you become a customer, a client, a friend, or even if we never ever meet. If one video helps you, I've accomplished my goal. Hit the subscribe button below and be sure and scroll through all the videos. There's over 100 topics below for you to check out. Now, back to our questions. The same questions always seem to come up when it comes to buying or selling a home. Most of them have to do with mortgage rates on both sides. Yeah, it's true. Sellers ask me things like, should I wait for rates to come down before I move and list my house? Are buyers still buying with today's higher rates? Well, here's some answers that might help. And can I afford my next home if I move? Well, it's all about those interest rates. Here's how I answer those questions. Trying to time the market has never been a good strategy, even though a lot of people are aiming to do that right now. I'll just time the market. If you need to move, there are ways we can make it happen without waiting for rates to fall. Remember, you date the rate, but you marry the price. And buyers are still out there. There's actually more buyer activity right now than the norm. So there is demand for your house. The key is pricing it right. So yes, if you want to move, you can. And your equity can help make it possible, even with rates when they're as high as they are right now. Let's sit down, talk about it. I've got you covered. I'm here to help you. You make every decision. And finally, everybody knows the 3 rules of real estate: location, location, location. I've added 3 rules of my own: honesty, integrity, and passion. We love the Florida Suncoast, have sold Hudson to Sarasota and everything in between. If you're thinking about buying or selling, please subscribe to this channel. Stay updated with great new videos every week. And you can see your home value anytime. It's fast, it's free, and it's easy. At a site I've had for over 20 years. It's called whatismyhomereallyworth.com. Call me anytime at 855-Mr. Beach.